Good morning. It is Friday, April 24th, 2026 at just after 11 a.m. I am at the Hall of Mosses, Spruce Trail, Hoh River Trail, at the Hoh River Rainforest. This is on my agenda today, day one of my 5-day peninsula trip. As you can see, it is a beautiful day. Look at the size of these trees. Oh, and the moss and the ferns everywhere. This is just beautiful. Anyway, look, even got a little game trail. If you can see, all the way down through there. Wow. Anyway, y'all got to enjoy nature, people. Later.